Temperature repair, Mr. Shaw, 5/22, 2024. It's 82 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Damaged shingle here. This is our work area. That was my fault. Did that one a little bit too hard. Come on. Nah. And you can see it's all the way compacted into the shingle below. Some rust on that one. Okay. Gotta go 2 rows up. That one's crooked a little bit. No. It's going to be our old shingle. As you can see, some material transfer going all the way across the shingle. It's pretty heavy on this one, and all the nails are pulling through. And the shingle certainteed based on the year. It's going to be a certainteed CT20, which is discontinued.
Was covered.
All right, repair is completed. Attempts to repair, fail. So I got creasing. That one's not creased. All these are creased. And you can see the material transfer to the shingle below. You can see all the nails are pulling through. Every single shingle. There's material transfer, the nails are pulling through, the granules are falling out. As you can see, it ain't just the glove. No. So, attempt to repair, fail, creasing, granular loss, nail pulls, material transfer.